Hey traders, a quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So before I start my video, let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots and understand the entries. A normal pullback that can hit 20 EMA or that can hit 50 EMA. If that happens, no signal here, we had a pullback and it forms a bearish engulfer. In that case, we will have a very good sell signal because the price is now pushing down in a trend, broke below the previous low right here and still in the area of value. So that is how I enter my trade. If I see a signal like bullish engulfer first, I will enter my bullish trade first. If I see a no signal, I just see a pullback hit of 20 EMA or 50 EMA, or if it doesn't hit 50 or 20 EMA, just give me a reason like a pullback and nice bearish engulfer. In that case, I will still go short. If I see a good bullish engulfer here, there is a reason to enter for me and look for buy or sell condition. Need to see a buy condition within the zone, sell condition wherever we get below 50 or 20 EMA. Nice one. So whichever entry I get first, I will enter my trade. So what do we have right here? Price made a low and then a pullback as mentioned in my previous video, followed by a bearish engulfer. So all the rules are met here, and if you have seen my weekends video, I have shown how to calculate the targets and what is the ATR of this candle, 3.9. So if you would have entered right here, or let's say you have entered a little bit above, but let's do it at the close of this candle, 3.9 is your targets, and as you can see the 4 points targets has been hit nicely. So that is how we enter the trade with conditions. So I've also said that I'll be looking to enter my trade buy trade if I get a reason to enter buy trade. So at this point, price has now rejected from the support area, and right here I've also said that if I see a good reason to enter from the lower level, I'm still bullish for net gas. So we already had a nice condition for sell, and now I'm seeing a nice condition for buy. So on 4-hour time frame, I'm going to show you on 1-hour time frame as well. If this candle closed as a 382 candle, right here it is a 382 candle for now, but I want to see how it closes. The body must be above the 382 retracement. If that happens, we have a good buy signal for net gas. So the initial targets will be again 1 ATR, whatever the ATR is, and you can always set your take profit to below the wick to keep the protection and go 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's what I'm looking at on 4-hour time frame. If this candle closes as a 382 candle, we have a valid buy signal. Now on 1-hour time frame, we already have a buy signal right here, a double bottom confirmation. In that case, your targets will be 2 points. So initial targets will be 2 points, a quick scalp, but for me, I like to keep my stop loss below the wicks, go 1-to-1 for my initial target. So that's what I'm looking at for net gas. We're getting a condition on 4-hour. We already got a condition on 1-hour time frame. I'm expecting some bounce, and remember, the bounce doesn't mean that the price will reverse. It can reverse if you want to capture a reversal. Let's say if you have a reversal, once you take profit, one is hit. If it's hit, then you can move your stop loss to break even and try to manage your trade till the level above entry that I've mentioned in my previous video right here. Otherwise, price is now pushing down in a downtrend. We might get a hit of the take profit and then price can fall back down again. So that is why very important to keep your stop loss and take profit both. Exactly the same on capital.com, exactly same conditions, 180 target, stop loss below, and that is what I'm looking at. If the price dramatically falls below this low or below this rejection yellow box, in that case the price will turn bearish and it will likely fall. Next one, we have gold. Gold is now pulling back down, and like I mentioned, I have still got my rejection area ready. If we have a pullback to this rejection zone followed by bearish engulfer, we have a valid double top confirmation and we have a good sell signal. So that is what I'm waiting for. With patience, once we have conditions like this, we are good to go short. If we have another pullback to 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, I will go long. So as long as price is above 50 EMA, I'll look for my buy condition. If this candle closes the bullish engulfer, we have a valid buy condition, then I won't be looking for sell trade. I will go 1 ATR for my targets, and I will see if we get a condition here or not. So keep an eye here, look for conditions, enter with conditions only. Right here, next one we have silver. I've mentioned in my last video, I've mentioned that we can get a likely push down to this area of value right here, and this is the zone I've already sent to the members to look for a conditions here, and now we're getting a nice swing low bullish engulfing candle. So once this candle is closed, we have a valid buy signal. Targets will be 20 points according to the ATR, which is 25.04, from where we can expect another pullback. So that is what I'm looking at. If we have a bullish engulfer, we have a valid buy signal. Targets will be 1 ATR initially. The next one we have Crude oil. Crude oil is now pushing up and still above 50 EMA, rejected from 50 EMA for at this point. I'm still waiting for the price to push up from a double top confirmation. We are still not bearish for crude oil as long as price is trading nicely above the both EMAs. We are still bullish, and I will only look for buy opportunities. Once price hit the zone again, we will have a valid double top confirmation. For now, we are not looking for bearish trade. If we have a push down close below 50 EMA, in that case I'll start to look for my sell opportunities. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.